Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the page and grabbing a widget snippet. This is the first actionable step. Once done, enable third-party embeds in your page settings so Notion will allow external content. Next, paste the provider's iframe or script into a new /embed block. If the widget requires a URL, choose the embed option. Make sure to test immediately, confirm the preview renders. If it doesn't, toggle public access for that block and try again before moving on. Continue by customizing how the widget looks and behaves. Resize the embed visually, and when available, set explicit width and height to avoid layout jumps. Responsive widgets adapt, but explicit values help. Pass parameters in the widget URL or builder, theme, refresh interval, and locale change appearance and performance. Once configured, wrap the embed in toggle or synced blocks for conditional visibility or to reuse across pages. Make sure to save and refresh the page to confirm settings applied correctly. To finish, lock down permissions and validate the widget across devices. Make the page public or share with specific users, then test in incognito and on mobile. This ensures external content loads for viewers. If a widget fails, replace it temporarily with a screenshot or static link while you debug. A key troubleshooting tip: if the embed is blank, check CORS and content security policy. Enabling CORS on the widget host or using a lightweight proxy often resolves blocked requests. Confirm fixes and republish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.